Hello guys, welcome to the 21st session of the Entity Framework Code 2.0 tutorials. In this session, we will see how to use the different name and data type for the column in the table by using the Entity Framework. For this, I am going to use the attributes again. We need to use the column and the data type attribute. Let's switch to the Visual Studio. I am adding the one more property in the book model, name publish on. Prop, which is a type of date time, and publish on. Save it and let's run it. Let's drop the table and create it again and switch to Management Studio. Refresh the columns. You can see that it includes the publish on and which data type is a date time 2. However, we are just interested to store the only date. We are not interested to store the time. Instead of using the publish on name, I am going to use the publish date name for that column. So let's switch to the studio, stop the project, and use the column attribute. Add its namespace. Within the parenthesis, specify the name. Here I am going to use the publish date. So write the publish date. And for changing the data type, we need to use the data type attribute. Within the parenthesis, we need to select from that enumeration. From this enumeration, we can choose the any value. But I am going to select the date. Save it and let's run. Again, drop the table and recreate them again. And refresh the columns. Here you can see that the new field name is publish date instead of the publish on. However, its data type is date time 2 instead of the date. I don't know what happening here, but it should be a date only, because we have selected the date from the enumeration. Maybe it was a bug in the Code 2.0 preview. Let's see what we are learning in this session. To use the different column name from the models property, we can use the column attribute and pass the name that we want to use. To use the different data type for that column, we need to use the data type attribute and select the attribute from the available enumeration. If you have any doubt, feel free to contact me. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.